Control, Danny Gun here. I'm in my final loop around. I'm gonna descend for my final exam. Control, I seem to have static. Can you repeat that? What the hell?
Sup?
No. This cannot be happening.
Believe it.
How did you get up here? It took me years to learn how to fly. This is my final class.
Flying is easy, dude. I watched a tutorial on YouTube.
Go away!
You don't own the skies, noob.
You're ruining my class. I gotta get out of here. Hold up, Tommy! Enough games! Listen, I need to get back to base so I can pass my class and get my freaking flying license, man!
I wonder how many chicks this thing can hold.
Hey, shouldn't you be wearing a helmet?
Helmets are for noobs.
It's not safe to fly without a helmet!
Yeah, because when you get in a jet plane crash, a helmet's gonna make all the difference.
Well, I never thought of it that way.
Hey, dweeb, check this out.
What are you doing, man? Woo! You fired a rocket at me?
Welcome to the danger zone.
You wanna play? We'll play. We're going downtown. That's it. Oh, how the tables have turned.
Try to keep up, noob.
Oh, I'm coming at you, douche. I'm coming at you like a barracuda with fangs and teeth.
More like a goldfish with a vagina.
Hey, bro.
What's up?
I got 2 presents for you.
I don't want 'em.
Too bad. Here they come.
Your aim sucks even with fighter jet technology.
Come on, Danny. Just a little more, come on. Come on, there it is, just a little more. Woo! That was intense. Dudes, make sure you click like for this epic air battle. Also, you need to make sure you subscribe so you get the newest GunVsGun videos right in your inbox.